Hey, what's up? Dean Sear Performance. Back in the shop. Magnum's outside. Took it for a ride. Runs way better. Camaro, up on the lift. Yesterday I got all the fittings for the drains. So I did all the drains today. So you got the 90. I think I'm going to clock this one over just a hair just to pick that up. 90. And then I made the line. Then this is that T with the swivel on this side, and then just a regular male on this side, and then a male on this side. So the line comes up, goes to the pump, and then the return goes up high, not high, it goes up there, right there. And then comes back, and I drilled and tapped the pan. Monday I'm gonna drain the oil, get new oil, put in there. Pretty much it's right at the oil level. It's actually close to the oil level, and what I did was I added an extra quart, and then this way when I drilled it, the oil pushed everything out. I don't know everything, but it pushed the majority of the stuff out. Once I was done drilling, kind of put my finger over it, took the tap, ran the tap in. It's a 3/8 MPT tap. And as I ran the tap in, the oil basically was pouring out chips. So that's why I got the drain pan under it. But just to be safe, I'm gonna drain the oil. I will probably like spray a ton of brake cleanup in there. But at least all of that is done. Oh, last piece I'm waiting on is the 90 for this charge pipe, and then the hob switch, which should all be here today. I ordered different 90s so that they're not delayed anymore. So hopefully I'll have those today. It says I should have them today. Then Monday, because today is Saturday, so Monday I will come in. First thing I'll do is knock out the rest of this pipe going over to the inlet of the intercooler, and then I'll have that done. Everything up top is pretty much done except for the fuse box to run for 12-volt ignition. And then depending on how it sounds and what he's after, just got to figure out something for the exhaust to go back out the holes. And what I think I'm going to do is cut the tips back off the mufflers, because they are stainless tips. The only issue I have is this is 2 1/4, and everything I have is 2 1/2. So I might need to order a couple of 2 1/4 inch pieces, probably like 445s or something like that, because you can see this comes almost directly to the hole. It's just a little low, so I would have to roll it up over and then out is how I would like to do it. I left the factory hangers on both sides, the rubbers, because what I'll do is same thing the factory does. I'll probably only do one on each side, because you got another hanger here, and the exhaust it's pretty tight sitting where it is. So just to hold the tailpipe up, I'll probably just utilize one hanger. I don't know if it'd be this one or this one, whichever one. So just take some rod and curl some rod and stuff it through. But yeah, I mean, other than that, it's pretty good. Now, if he wants a muffler, that's the only other thing. If he wants a muffler, that'll be a little bit different. So I don't think it's going to be loud at all. I think it's going to be fairly quiet. Not quiet, but I don't think it'll be loud. Not for me. I don't know. But it all depends on what he wants. So that's what we will do. But there it is. Pretty much all custom now, minus the fact that I didn't supply the turbos. I didn't supply the turbos or the intercooler. about the only thing I can think of at the moment. Everything else is 100% custom. So, yay. Anyways, my wife's in New York. She comes back tomorrow. She was in Times Square. Well, she was in Connecticut. She was in Times Square. She did a live video. One of her companies is up on a billboard in Times Square, which is pretty cool. So the name of that is Reckless Healers. So go check them out. They're pretty cool. It's her and her partner Zoe. I don't know her last name. But I appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Leave me a comment. As always, have a good day and have a good weekend.